Sylvanian family values. 26. The Barkton family. It is another Friday in Bauble City, and today we don't start with the Chiffon family, we start with the Barkton family. Barry is with his wife Lucy and his daughter Melanie in the sitting room of his tall home. And how high is his house? His house is 9 meters high. Melanie goes up to her bedroom to get ready for school.
Barry, dear, I am going to the greengrocers now to work. Can you do something for me?
Yes, of course, dear. What is it?
The light brown chest of drawers in the hall doesn't work very well. I can't get the bottom drawer out. Can you work on it this morning?
Well, I need to go to the hardware store to buy some tools. But yes, I can. No problem.
Thank you, Barry. See you later. Hey, Dad, I am going off to school now. I want to be early today.
Why is that?
We are having a culture class this morning where we talk about different cultures. It is really interesting.
Okay, Melanie. Do you have everything you need?
Yes, I do. Thank you, Father. Bye.
Barry then goes to the hardware store, but he goes to Delirio's house first for the blue van.
Oh, hi, Barry. Hi, Delirio. Can I use the blue van? I need to go to the town centre. Of course, Barry. It isn't our van anyway. Here are the keys. Is there anything in the van? Or is it empty now? There is nothing in there now, so you can put what you need in the back. Excellent. Thank you, Delirio.
Barry gets in the blue van and goes downtown. He goes to a gas station to buy some gas for the van, and then he goes to the hardware store. Cedric Walnut, our squirrel, works there. Hello, sir. Do you need any help?
Yes, I do. I need some tools so that I can work on a chest of drawers. What tools have you got in your hardware store?
We have got hammers, saws, nails, screwdrivers, and screws.
Oh, I can work on the garden shed with those. Have you got any gardening tools?
Yes, we have. Just one moment. Here we are. We have got spades, Dutch hose, farming hose, and gardening forks.
Okay. I haven't got enough money to buy any gardening tools today. I think I only need a screwdriver and some nails, and a small hammer for working on furniture.
What number of nails do you need?
I think 6 nails is enough, thank you. How much is the hammer?
Well, it says $10 on it.
Oh, what is that in pounds?
It is £8, sir. Okay, so that is £15 and 20 pence for everything.
Okay, here is the money.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. And at last Barry arrives home, and he carefully works on the chest of drawers. And Lucy is very happy with the work.
Thank you, Barry.
It's a piece of cake.
Really? Wow! Now we have other furniture in our home that doesn't work well. The shelves in the toilet are not quite right. They are very low, and the nightstand has got a drawer that doesn't come out straight. Can you work on them?
But...
Oh, Barry, not really. It's lunchtime, and I have a delicious mango and strawberry cake for us to eat in the garden. Follow me.
And so Barry and Lucy eat a delicious cake in the garden. See you next time.